In 1988, Yellowstone National Park faced a fiery inferno. Flames roared, consuming over 1.2 million acres. But why did nature allow such destruction? Fire, often seen as a villain, plays a hero's role in certain ecosystems. It clears dead wood, making way for new growth. Pine cones, sealed tight, burst open only under intense heat, releasing seeds. This cycle rejuvenates the forest. Without fire, many species would struggle to survive. The blaze, though devastating, was a rebirth. Yellowstone emerged greener, more vibrant. Could fire be nature's reset button? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.